car off engine security, Redbat double pedal lock. It's got a 2-lock security. Okay, press it and pull it. This is the first lock. The second, you have to press in second lock. When you unlock, you have to unlock this one, the second one first. Unlock, you still unlock in the front one. After unlock all, you still can start your engine. You have to unlock the Redbat double lock. You still can start engine. Okay, let me show you. Now it's locked. Okay, when I turn on to start engine, cannot. This cannot start engine. Unlock. This is car security. Redbat double pedal lock. Sample for Toyota Hilux Revo. Installed by One Piece. Location in Seri, Kembangan, Balakong, Selangor. Redbat double pedal lock. Thank you.